What's up, guys, and welcome to the Trading channel. Here in this channel, we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. And I'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock. And I will share my personal opinion based on my knowledge as a full-time trader. Before beginning this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say as buy and sell calls. Right, so in today's video, we'll be looking at CloudPT BHD, a pretty recent tech IPO that had an issue share price of around 38 cents, which is here, and it debuted at 75 cents a couple of weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago. And of course, since then, it's been suffering from some profit-taking activities, and it has been consolidating around 48 to 50 plus cents. Right, so on the daily chart, definitely not much to see here. So as usual, I have to zoom in. The 2-hour chart will be a good start. And yep, as usual, I'll pull in my Fibo to top to bottom. Here, and can see a bit of this immediate downtrend. Support here, resistance here. Okay, so you can see that it's been consolidating over the past week. This is like a descending triangle pattern where I can even draw a base here. With 48.5 cents as a base lah, right? So for now, it's been able to hold above its 48.5 cents support and bounce very well all the way towards the 52 cents with 2 cents main downtrend resistance. And it came with decent volume as well after a low volume consolidation over the past 2-3 weeks. Now, the question is, what is the next possible direction here for CloudPT? Now, for me personally, as it starts to trade towards the end of this descending triangle consolidation pattern, the range starts to get smaller, right? The trading range starts to get smaller, and that's when it will force the stock to have either a breakout or a breakdown. All right, the later the further it reaches the pattern, then the chances of it breaking out, breaking down is higher. So for now, definitely we are like slightly after the middle of this pattern. So, but it is already showing pretty good sign. So we have to see if we're able to break out from 53 cents or not. If so, then it might be able to test the 56 and 57 cents resistance for the next run up, right? And from there onwards, we have to see lah. If we're lucky, it could just go parabolic and all the way 67, 80 cents. I mean 68 and 70 cents plus. And that could be that will probably be the best possible scenario lah. Otherwise, maybe it might test the 53 cents resistance and still come back down, consolidate a little bit more, and then to maybe give it a few more days until we see a stronger breakout. But it's hard to say. As long as it's able to hold above 50 cents support, then a breakout could even come tomorrow, right? When it comes and it could form a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, form a new uptrend here. Or it could just form another sideways trend here. You can see here is another resistance, right? So that it could form another pattern where it just do this, it just does this, right? That is also possible, right? In trading, it's always this kind of trading patterns take time to develop, so we never know what kind of patterns it will evolve into. But for now, it's just a minor downtrend, a descending triangle pattern here with 48.5 cents as base, and if it breaks out, then we'll look at the 56 cent and 57 cents resistance, at least in the short term. Any further than that, we'll have to come back later, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks time, and we'll have to review it again. Worst case scenario is probably a false breakout, and then it throws all the way down to 45, new all-time low, and then it goes, all the way back towards the 38 cents IPO price, right? Which it has not touched yet, but we can use the 38 cents level as a benchmark. Okay, and yep, that's it for now, CloudPT. But I think overall, despite all the downsides, it's still looking pretty good, and chances of it going up is still quite healthy here. So definitely worth monitoring. And yep, that's it for tonight's video. Do give us a like and share our video to your friends and family if you find information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated to all our upcoming videos. And yep, have fun trading.